Hello YouTube, and today for you I have another purchase from eBay, and this is a lot of coins, approximately 9 coins that was purchased at a price of $17.61, and I primarily bought this because they had several coins from Vatican and San Marino, plus some other coins. So let's open it. See what we got here. Our consumer-proof packaging. Okay, here we have the 9 coins laid out for you, and as I said, I mainly bought this because it had a San Marino coin, and it has 3 Vatican City coins here. And we have in the upper left, starting there, we have a 1974 San Marino 10 lira coin, a Bulgaria 2 leva coin, 1925, a Bulgaria 1917 10 stoniki coin, Vatican City 100 lira 1962, Vatican City 100 lira 1958, Vatican City 100 lira 1965, and Bohemia and Moravia 1993 kruna, Bohemia Moravia 1942 20 heliru, Lithuania, centas, 1936. So I'm not sure what the total value of all these coins are. I'll have to put something at the end once I look them all up. Okay, there's the back side of all the coins. I'll have to put in there at the very end something once I look up the value of all these coins. But okay, here we have all of the coins, or I've taken them out of the coin flips and I've cleaned them using acetone and some other coin preservative methods that don't damage the coins. And you can kind of see them now. See a little bit better detail on the obverse. And here we have the Vatican City, starting with the 1958, the 1962, and the 1965 100 lira. And then we have the San Marino coin over there, which is the 10 lira, 1974. Okay, in the bottom row there we have the Bulgarian 2 leva 1925 coin, and we have the Bulgarian 1917 20 stotinki coin there, and then we have the Bohemian Moravia 1 koruna 1943, the Bohemian Moravian 20 heliru 1942 coin, and finally the Lithuanian 1 centas 1936 coin. And whoops, we'll show you the different color patterns. Now I'll show you the reverse. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.